The 250 GTE is an incredibly handsome car. It's a very understated Ferrari. It was Ferrari's first production four-seater. Ferrari, the man, was very famously reluctant about building road cars. It was a racing team that was bolstered by road car sales. It was about putting money in the till. And the GTE was a consequence of effectively the collaboration between Enzo Ferrari and Sergio Pininfarina coming up with an idea of how to put a bit more money in the till. So a four-seat car was a necessity to bolster sales to a certain extent. And then over a 3-year period, what basically transpired was that of all of the 250 series cars that went from 56 through to 65, the production numbers of the GTE effectively made up half of all of 250 series production. So that's a huge selling car for Ferrari at the time, gigantic. That's mass production for the numbers of the time.
Would have made him pretty happy.
Yeah, so.
Bit of money for the racing.
Bit of money for the racing cars to burn. And the funny part is, and this was recorded in his memoirs, that he went on record and actually said it was his favourite production car. He drove one himself, and he didn't drive a lot of cars himself. He was notably driven around a lot. Ferrari, the man, was sitting behind the wheel of a GTE fairly frequently in the first part of the 60s, and I think probably in the later parts of the 60s as well.